to my channel. If it's the first time of coming across this channel, hi, I am Oma. Click, you're highly welcome. To my returning amazing subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I so much appreciate. Okay, so this video, it's a way different kind of video. It's so much in it. I hope you relax and enjoy this video as well. So today we have an unboxing to do on this channel. So here is an unboxing. So this is from Jumia. I ordered this from Jumia, so I have to open it up so we can see it. And so please sit back, relax, and equally enjoy this vlog, because it's going to be a little bit lit up vlog. Okay, so thank you. So let's start unboxing first. Okay, so guys, if you remember the last video, I told you guys that I ordered 2 items, and it happened that the last item were not delivered together with the first item. So this is the second item, and here I got a mini tripod. I really need a form of stability whenever I'm outside my comfort zone, so I got this for a particular purpose, but not due to be mentioned. Okay, so I got this for stability, form of stability. So here is when I was unboxing this is the mini tripod, this is a phone holder over there, and yeah, well, I love the stand, but it wasn't really what I expected it to be as shown on their page, but that be it. So on this very first day, I started off my journey on the road with the GIG company, and it was a little bit adventurous. And it happened that the shoe I wore caught, and I had to like ask the driver for my luggage to change over, and it was a little bit embarrassing for me. And equally that day, so many adventures happened on the road, which I can't mention. So this is when we got to the conference stand, which is where the River Niger and the River Benue met, and I couldn't get so much clip while traveling because of the situation of the country at the moment, because traveling on the road is not the best option for anyone who intends to travel at this moment. So I would advise you to opt for air. So at this point, this is when I got to my comfort, and guys, I was really tired at this point, and I decided to stop by and also talk to you all. So at this point, I arrived my destination, my place of comfort to be precisely, and I was really tired. I don't even know what I was even saying on this video, but guys, what I saw on the road is not meant to be said here. Like, traveling on the road, I'll keep saying this, I'll keep hammering on this, traveling on the road is not the best option. Like, if I should tell you that if it's not God, I don't know who else would have done this for me. So I decided to keep you all and have a little bit chit chat, and I was trying to like set my stand, my mini stand, which was a little bit unstable for me at that point. Yeah, so I was trying to like tell you guys I'm going to have my bait and like change over to my nightwear and come back again to talk to you all. It was a really long journey, guys, but yeah. So guys, at this point, I want to take my bait and change over, because it was really long journey. I couldn't film due to so many checkpoints. So see you guys later. At this point, I have already had my shower, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel up to this point, please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you, and see you all in my next video. I hope you enjoyed that video. Bye.